Is China winning the race to the moon? Many people in the West might not want to admit it. But the question remains, can the United States win this game? Let's look at the current situation. On the US side, we have titans like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. We may also see Jarek Isaacman taking his leadership role at NASA soon. But China is driven by huge ambition. This is worrying the current US administration. As a result, NASA reopened the Artemis 3 contract. They are concerned that SpaceX Starship might not be ready in time. For Elon Musk, the moon is just a side quest on the road to Mars. This attitude caused a public dispute with acting NASA Administrator Sean Duffy. During the Apollo era, the US was united. President Kennedy led the nation to the moon after the Sputnik shock. Back then, NASA had the full support of the country. Today, things are different. The US is politically divided. NASA is struggling with budget cuts and layoffs. It can no longer unite the country like it did in the 1960s. The situation plays directly into China's hands. In one of our last videos, we covered the history. Today, let's focus on the specific hardware for the Chinese manned lunar mission. During the construction of the Tiangong space station, China used the Feitian spacesuit. But to survive on the lunar surface, they needed a better design. In September 2024, China revealed the new Wangyu suit. The crewed rover is named Tansuo. This translated to exploring the unknown. It is designed to help astronauts uncover the mysteries of the moon. The cruise ship is called Mengzhou, or Dream Vessel. It is built by China Aerospace Science and Technology. It is the successor to the Chang'e, which looked like the Russian Soyuz. Mengzhou is different. It has two parts, a reusable crew module to return to Earth and the expendable service module for power and propulsion. The lander is named Lanyue, meaning embracing the moon. Its job is simple: transport 2 astronauts to the surface and bring them back to lunar orbit. China has a perfect track record. Phase 1 reached orbit with Chang'e 1 and 2. Phase 2 landed rovers with Chang'e 3 and 4. Phase 3 returned samples with Chang'e 5 and the far-side mission Chang'e 6. Now, Phase 4 targets the South Pole. The goal is a research station and a crewed landing in the 2030s. Notably, Chang'e 8 will test making bricks from lunar soil. Currently, China uses the Long March 5B, but the moon requires more power. They are developing the Long March 10. Unlike the Apollo missions, which launched everything on one Saturn V, China plans 2 launches per mission. The cruise ship and the lander will meet in lunar orbit. Then there is the massive Long March 9. It has a 10.6 meter diameter that is wider than SpaceX Starship. It aims for full reusability, similar to the New Glenn or Starship designs. However, it likely won't be ready before 2033. China plans to be ready for a human landing by 2030. Personally, I still bet on SpaceX and Blue Origin to get there first. But this will be a close race. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.